Codes with Python, and in this video I will explain about transposition cipher, how to encrypt a message using transposition cipher. The logic behind encrypting a message in transposition cipher is pretty easy. Let me explain. uh, let's say key is equal to 8 and common sense is not so common is the message. It will place the message in this order, like common space sense space is space not space so space common. This is how message is being placed in the grid, and cipher text would be like CENOONOMMSTMME space O. This is how the cipher text would look like, so it is completely not readable. And the encryption part, how to do encryption part in a program. The we want 8 columns, right? So we can take 8 empty strings, and let's say in the first empty string we place C at first, and 8 add 8 key value to its index, that is 0 plus 8 8, and we'll reach it a character E with index 8, and we place the E in the first string again. Now add 8 to the index value, that is 8 plus 8 16 n, that is n. Now I will add n to the first string. Now 8 to the 16 24, o to the first string. Then 24 plus 8 32, that would be out of index, right? So we have to check whether uh, the current index that I want to add is less than the message length or not. If it is greater than the message length, then what I have to do, I have to move to the next string. Then when I reach the end, uh, when I reach the end, that is length of the message, if the current index is greater than the length of the message, then I will move to the next string, next string. That is how I will do. I will fill all the 8 strings individually, and then at last I will combine all those strings. Let me do it in Python. Let me start by taking let's say df main. Let me write some functions. So is equal to is not so common, key is equal to 8, cipher text is equal to encrypt of key comma message. And then this line of code will generate 8 empty strings, right? I want 8 strings, right? So this single line of code will generate 8 strings in a list, and then now I will iterate through that list using the column for range of, that is 8. Now at first I will add, I want to add C, then E, then N, then O, till I reach the end. While if I reach the end, how to know if I am in the limit or not? I have to check whether the current index, I will start the current index at will be started current index at column, right? And well, the current index is less than the length of what message. What I want to do is I want to encrypt, I want to add this character next E, next N, next O. How to do it? I have to add cipher text of the first column to message current index. Now current index will be incremented with what key value, that is 8, and then after reaching the end, the string will be changed, the column will be changed, second column, that will be o n z, the column will start at o, that is 1 plus 8 9 plus 8, like that. After reaching the eighth column, what I will do is I will add all those columns to a single string. Return join cipher text if is equal to main of, let me print that cipher text. Some on the line 9, line 10, spelling mistakes. Right. Here you can see message is encrypted. CENO. Next ONOM. This is how we encrypt a message in transposition cipher, and in the next video I will explain how to decrypt a message using transposition cipher. That's it for this video.